Lie on the mat with your legs stretching long. Inhale and extend your arms up over your head for the full body stretch. Point your toes away and then stretch through the heels, pulling your toes back toward the shins. And point and stretch, flexing the feet back and forth, and one more time. Bring your arms back by your sides. Bend your knees with the feet hip-width apart and flat on the mat. Reach your arms long by the side, palms down. Inhale and shrug the shoulders up toward the ears. Exhale and slide the shoulders away from the ears, pulling the shoulder blades down the back and in toward the spine in the shape of a V. And again, inhale, draw the shoulders up to the ears. Exhale, draw the shoulder blades down the back. And last time, inhale, pull the shoulders up. Exhale, gently pull the shoulders down and in toward the spine. Now relax the shoulders completely. Stretch the arms alongside the body, palms down. Keep your spine and pelvis in neutral position. Inhale, reach the arms up toward the ceiling and overhead, keeping the abdominal connection and the shoulder blades sliding down the back. Exhale and circle your arms out to the sides and back around to the hips. And circle the arms up, over, and around, feeling the arms floating in the shoulder sockets. Now reverse the circles. Inhale, reach the arms out to the side and overhead. Exhale, bring the arms back to the mat by the hips. And again, circle out to the side, over the head, and back to the mat, maintaining stabilization of the shoulder blades. Keeping the arms long by the sides, spine and pelvis in neutral, inhale and lengthen the back of your neck, nodding the head yes using a small range of movement. Exhale, return to neutral. Inhale and lengthen the neck, nod the head forward slightly, keeping the head on the mat. Exhale, return to neutral. Now clasp your hands gently behind the head, letting your head rest comfortably in your hands. Do not pull on your neck. Inhale, lengthen the back of the neck as in head nod. Exhale and allow the head to lift slowly from the floor, keeping your throat soft as your head rests in your hands. Lengthen the cervical spine in your neck and gently bring the chin toward the chest, imagining an egg resting under the chin, creating space between the ears and shoulders. Inhale, keep the shoulder blades moving down away from the ears. Exhale and allow the neck and head to lengthen back down to the mat. Feel the length in the back of the neck without jamming the chin into the chest. Now one more time. Inhale, lengthen the neck and head nod. Exhale, soften the throat as the head slowly lifts from the floor with the head resting in your hands. Inhale, maintain the space between your ears and shoulders. Exhale the head back down to the mat. Now lie with your knees bent, feet hip width, and focus on your core. Begin with neutral spine and pelvis. Inhale, and on the exhale, using your lower abs, curl the tailbone up into the body, letting the lower back gently touch the mat. Inhale and release, moving back to neutral, start position. And again, exhale and curl the tailbone up. Inhale and release back down. Now this time, inhale to prepare, and on the exhale, curl your tailbone up and continue to peel the spine up one vertebra at a time to the bottom of the shoulder blades so your weight is supported by the feet and shoulders. Take a breath and keeping the upper chest relaxed, roll down one vertebra at a time. Imagine the spine as a pearl necklace being picked up from one end, one pearl at a time, and laid back down again, one pearl at a time. And again, Inhale to prepare. Exhale, engage the abdominals, curl your tailbone, and lift the spine up, one vertebra at a time. Keep the weight on the shoulder girdle and not on the neck. Inhale, and on the exhale, roll down, one vertebra at a time, and then relax your body and breathe deeply. Now lie on your right side with your knees bent in toward the chest, arms stretched out in front of you on the mat with the palms together in line with the shoulders. Inhale and extend your left arm up toward the sky. Exhaling, reach the left arm out to the side, letting the torso twist to the left so the front chest opens to face up. Inhale deeply into the sides of the rib cage. Exhale and stretch the left arm longer out to the side. Inhale deeply, and on the exhale, engage the abdominals to turn the torso back to side-lying position. Now roll to your left side with the knees bent and arms reaching forward with the palms together. Inhale, reach the right arm up. Exhale, continue to reach to the right, allowing the torso to twist to the right, opening the chest skyward. Inhale deeply. Exhale, stretch the right arm longer. Inhale, and on the exhale, activate the core to turn the torso back to side-lying position, palms together. Now come up onto your hands and knees with the shoulders over the wrists and hips over the knees, hip-width apart. Maintain neutral spine and pelvis, toes relaxed, and head in line with the spine. Inhale to prepare, and on the exhale, pull your navel into the spine, tuck the tailbone in, and round the back as you look toward your navel. Inhale, and with the abdominals engaged, stretch the crown of the head and the tailbone away from each other and up, keeping the shoulders relaxed and down the back. Exhale back to neutral. One more time, inhale to prepare. Exhale, tuck the tailbone and the head in, round the back, drawing the navel deep into the spine. Exhale, return to neutral start position. Now sit back on your heels, bring your chest to your knees, and rest with your head on your hands in child's pose. Lie on the mat with your spine and pelvis in a neutral position, feet hip-width and parallel, arms by your sides, palms down. Inhale and lengthen the back of the neck. Exhale, draw the shoulder blades down away from the ears. Contract your abdominals and curl the upper back off the floor, reaching the arms long in line with the shoulders. Inhale, hold as you expand the back and side rib cage. Exhale, lower your upper body and arms back to the mat, letting your neck return to neutral as your head touches down. Try not to tuck the buttocks under or let the pubic bone move toward the ribs. Initiate the movement from the abdominals and not the front hip flexors. And again, inhale, lengthen the cervical spine. Exhale, contract the abdominals, curl the spine up, and reach with the arms. Inhale, hold the curl with deep lateral and posterior breathing. Exhale, uncurl the spine, return to start. And again, inhale, lengthen the neck. Exhale, engage the abdominals, curl up and reach through the arms. Inhale and hold, keeping the abdominals flat. Exhale, release back down. And two more. Inhale, lengthen the neck, chin toward the chest. Exhale, squeezing the abs in, curl your upper back into a C curve. Inhale, hold, and exhale, release. And last time, inhale, lengthen the cervical spine. Exhale, curl the spine up into a C curve. Inhale and hold the contraction, and then exhale and release back down to neutral spine. Lie on your back with your knees bent, feet on the mat, and arms long by your side. Feel the shoulder and pelvic girdle firmly anchored to the ground, and press the palms into the mat for extra stability. Straighten your right leg up toward the sky, toes pointed. Keep your trunk stable as the lifted leg makes small circles. Begin by moving your leg across the body first, then circling down, around, and back up to start position. Keep the hips grounded as the leg floats in the hip socket, and continue across and around, and across and around, and across and around, and across and around. Now circle the opposite direction. Reach out and around and up, out, around, and up, out, around, and up, out, around, and up. Keep drawing small circles with control from the powerhouse. And now lower the leg back down, knee bent, and take the left leg up. And engaging your core, circle the left leg across and around, across and around, across and around, across and around, and last time around, and change directions. Take your left leg out and around and up, out, around, and up, out and around and up, out, around, and up, and last time around and up. Bring your leg down with both knees bent. Bring your knees into your chest and place your right hand on your right ankle, the left hand on your right knee, and stretch the left leg straight up 90 degrees. Inhale, lift the head, neck, and shoulders into C curve. Exhale, pull your navel deep into the spine. Inhale, switch legs and hand positions. Exhale, stretch the right leg straight up. Bend the left knee in with the left hand on the left ankle and the right hand on the left knee. Keep your navel anchored to the mat. Inhale, switch legs and hands, and exhale the left leg straight up. And inhale, switch, exhale the right leg up. Don't let the hips wobble side to side. And left leg up, switch right leg up, and left leg up, switch right leg up. Two more. Left leg up, switch right leg up, and last time, left leg up, switch right leg up. Now bring your feet back to the mat with the knees bent. Lie with the knees drawn into your chest. Curl your head and shoulders off the mat, hands holding your shins, elbows wide. Exhale, pull your navel deep into the spine. Inhale deeply and stretch the legs up to 90 degrees and the arms back by the ears without letting your head move away from your chest. Exhale, draw your knees into your chest and circle the arms around to pull them in. Keep your torso firmly anchored into the mat. And again, inhale, stretch the body long, legs up, arms reaching back by the ears. Exhale, bend your knees, circle the arms around and in. And inhale the legs up and arms reach back. Exhale, pull the knees in as the arms circle around. And last time, inhale, stretch out. Exhale, pull both knees in. Now take a breath and on the exhale, roll up to sitting. Lie on your right side. Keep your shoulders, hips, and top leg aligned. Bend your right knee to maintain your balance. Bend your elbow to rest on the mat with your head to rest on your hand. The top arm is bent with the hand in front of the chest. Inhale and lift the top leg up, keeping the hips stacked and shoulders anchored. Exhale, lower the leg, resisting gravity and stretching the leg long. Inhale and lift. Exhale and press the leg back down. Keep your upper body long and lifted as you take your leg up. And take your leg only as high as you can with it staying straight. Don't let the body roll forward. Inhale, take the leg up. Exhale, lower back down. Inhale, up. And exhale, stretch it back down. Inhale, take it up. Exhale, pull it down. And last time, inhale, stretch the leg up, and exhale, pull the leg back down. Now roll over on your left side, bend your left knee. Align your shoulders, hips, and top leg with your top hand in front of the chest for stability. Inhale, lift the top leg up. Exhale, press the leg down away from the torso, lengthening from the hip. Inhale and lift. Exhale and lower back down. Inhale, stretch it up. Exhale, press it back down. Inhale, up, and exhale, down. And last time, inhale, pull your leg up, and exhale, press it down. Now roll back to your right side. Lie on your right side with your feet slightly ahead of the hips and the hips and rib cage aligned. Inhale, lift the top leg and bring the leg forward, ankle flexed, and pulse twice. Bring the leg back with the toes pointed and pulse twice. Keep your hips anchored and stacked one atop the other. Keep your torso stable and your rib cage lifted. Only the top leg moves, so start with a small range of movement. Inhale, the leg forward and pulse. Exhale, back and pulse. Forward and pulse, back and pulse, forward and pulse, back and pulse, and last time, forward and pulse, back and pulse, and lower the leg and change sides. Roll onto your left side, bring your feet slightly in front of the hips, and bend your left knee. Rest your head on your hand, place your top arm with the hand in front of the chest. Inhale, lift the top leg, forward and pulse. Exhale the leg back and pulse. Forward and pulse, back and pulse. And forward and pulse, back and pulse, forward and pulse, back and pulse. And last time, forward and pulse, back and pulse. And lower the top leg down to return to start position. Roll to your right side. Stay in side lying position with the right leg bent for stability. To prepare, inhale, lift the top leg, toes pointing. Exhale and begin to circle the leg from the hip in a forward motion for 5 circles forward. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Keep your circles small and keep your body perfectly still. And now, the opposite direction, circling back, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and lower the leg back down. Use your powerhouse to stabilize your trunk and keep the top leg long and lengthening from the hip. Roll to your left side, bend your left knee. And to prepare, inhale, lift your top leg, toes pointing. Exhale and circle the leg forward for 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. And now reverse the direction, circling back for 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. And then lower your leg back to the floor.